Today I'm going to show you how to multiply by 10. I have my beads, felt, a black marker, a red marker, and these little squares of paper to write on, but you could also just write in a notebook. And I also have my tens. I don't have tens in golden beads. I have these bars where each square equals 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so that's 110. All right, so to start with, we are going to take 10 of any of the bead bars, and let's start with the 3s, so you can follow along. 3 taken one time is 3. 3 taken 2 times is 6. 3 taken 3 times is 9. 3 taken 4 times is 12. 3 taken 5 times is 15. 3 taken 6 times is 18. 3 taken 7 times is 21. 3 taken 8 times is 24. 3 taken 9 times is 27. And 3 taken 10 times is 30. Okay, and we can show that answer vertically like this. Okay, so there's 110, 2 tens, and 3 tens. And this is a little crooked. Let's straighten this up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30. So let's record that. And I'm going to, on one of these, write the 3. And on another little piece of paper in red, I'm going to write the 0. Okay, so 3 times 10 equals 30. All right, and again, you can record that in a notebook. Okay, let's do one more. This time, let's put our beads away. This time, let's do the 6s. Okay, so I'm going to set them out, and I want you to tell me how much I've taken. Okay, so for example, 6 taken 1 times is, you got it, 6. And of course, you can always pause if you need to think about it. 6 taken 2 times is, that would be 12. Good. 6 taken 3 times is 18. Good. 6 taken 4 times is, okay, I'll let you do the rest in your head. 6 taken 5 times is 6 taken 6 times is 6 taken 7 times is 6 taken 8 times is 6 taken 9 times is, and 6 taken 10 times is, did you say 60? Nice. So let's show that vertically. So here's 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and 6 tens. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, and let's record that. Okay, so 6 times 10 equals, I'll put the 6 over here, and there's 0. Okay, so 6 times 10 equals 60. All right, so that is how you multiply by 10, and you can continue on your own and do similar problems with all of the other beads in your bead box. All right, see you next time, friends.